Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to use layer properties in AutoCAD. Open layers properties. We are in default, the 0 on AutoCAD. Let's make a new layer. Let's go to new layer. Then name it whatever you want, like exterior wall. Then go to color. Choose whatever or any color that you want. Let's choose this one. And the line type, let's make it the continuous, then press OK. And the line thickness or the line width, you can change it from here. Let's make it default. Also, let's make interior wall line, then go to color, choose what color you want. Also, I want to change the line type. Let's make a new layer. Then let's name it hidden line. Then go to your lines, let's make it gray. Also the type, let's choose it. Then go to load, let's choose this one, the hidden line. Then press OK. After that, select it, then press OK, and here it is. If you draw, you are in the default line in AutoCAD. Go to properties, then select what line that you want. Let's make the exterior wall, and let's make a rectangle from here to here, and here it is. Also, let's make the interior wall another rectangle, and let's make the hidden line, and here it is.